Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching us how fast you can get money through bad credit loans. So first thing to do is to apply. You start by filling out an online form on the loan site. This takes about 5 to 10 minutes to complete. Then secondly, instant automated review. The platform matches your information against its network of lenders. You can receive real-time pre-approval offers within few minutes. So once you pick an offer and submit required documents like proof of income, the specific lender conducts a final review. This usually takes anywhere from a few minutes to 24 hours. So after your digital agreement, the lender transfers the cash directly to your bank account. Funds typically arrive as fast as the next business day, though some lenders offer same-day electronic deposits depending on your bank's cut-off time. Thank you for watching and goodbye.